Major, wake up! Wake up! Why won't you not wake up? Major?
Haha, you think I won't wake up?
How are you a damn robot?
Cause I'm robot.
That's your dead body. How are you a damn robot?
Not dead, I'm just robot. This is the future, man. I live in Japan.
Oh my god.
This is what people in Japan do to go get their go get their groceries
What?
and clean their couches.
So you
Yeah,
turn
there's a
yourself.
Roomba.
So you turn yourself into a Roomba monk for absolutely no reason.
Yeah.
Do you always know how to get out?
What?
Do you know how to get out?
Oh, I have to go for the agonizing torture of blowing myself up.
Okay. Did you buy the Roomba monk for frickin' 5,000 company coins?
Yeah. I'm rich, okay?
I'm pretty sure the repair is 2,000.
I don't care. Worth it. Very much worth it.
How much?
Remember when you did that one video when you just pushed off Roomba monks?
Oh yeah, I did that. I'm surprised you know that.
Don't you dare push me off like you did to those poor Roomba monks.
I won't.
Wait, that makes me wonder. How are those Roomba monks like? Why is that thing not blowing up?
Actually, that's true. Why is it not blowing up?
Anyways, that makes me wonder. How did those Roomba monks like actually have self-consciousness?
That's actually the real question.
Okay.
No worries, Major. Oh, okay, you're so loud.
Wait. If they had their own self-consciousness, why were you torturing them?
Because they won't clean for me.
I could clean for you. I'm trying to do a thumbs up, but I don't really have a thumb or finger.
Do it.
Whoa, Francis, it's me, Major.
Just do it.
No, Francis! Hey, look, there's my lifeless dead body.
Hey, why'd you blow my Roomba monk up? I had to pay 5,000 company
You're
coins.
rich!